Now, wife of missing Dutch national Tob Cohen, Sarah Wairimu Cohen, is set to face murder charges following the mysterious disappearance of her husband. The prosecution on Thursday preferred murder charges against Wairimu, but she did not take plea, as the court directed that she undergo a mental assessment before answering to the charges.
In a case that has attracted international attention, Sarah Wairimu Cohen is alleged to have killed Tob Cohen on the night of 19th and 20th July 2019 within Nairobi County, an act she is alleged to have committed with the help of others not before the court.
When there is an advocate present.
But Wairimu strongly opposed the charge through her lawyer, Philip Murgor, who argued that there is no complete charge before the court.
To come with a piece of paper without a shred of evidence and expect that that will end the matter, especially when they now apply that she be sent to some place for a mental examination, is to abuse the criminal justice system.
Making reference to the fact that Cohen's body is still missing, Murgor argued that before a mental assessment is conducted on Wairimu, all documents linking her to the alleged murder must be handed to the defense.
It's not a question of mental examination, it's a question of custody that we are concerned with. She has been brought here. The time for holding her in custody expires at midnight.
Murgor, while challenging the two-page charge sheet, said that the body of the deceased has not yet been found to confirm whether or not he's dead. The prosecution, in its submission, maintained that there is satisfactory evidence to warrant a murder charge. The case prosecutor argued that murder charges can be preferred even in the absence of the deceased body. She wants Wairimu to undergo a mental checkup before taking a plea.
We have looked at what primarily we have and we are satisfied with what we have.
The matter will come up for mention on Monday, September 16th. Meanwhile, Murgor has accused one of the investigating officers of sexually assaulting his client. According to Murgor, one Mr. Mwangi has been asking for sexual favors from the accused with a promise that he will assist her in the matter.
That's all they do. They tell her if she's nice to them, if she gets rid of the lawyers, they'll make the case go away. That is what we don't want. Independent, objective police officers should be given the case to conduct the investigations.
A submission that was strongly opposed by the prosecution. Addressing the media after the court session, Gabriella Van Straten, a sister of the missing tycoon, said that she is hoping that justice will be served.
Although we have to be patient till Monday, we still have a lot of doubts about Sarah. What is her role? I do want to know.
An emotional sister wants to know what really happened to her brother.
He loved the country. He was fond of it. 32 years he lived here. He never wanted to go back to the Netherlands. He promoted the country for the golf, for safari. You have no idea.
Tob Cohen is reported to have gone missing between July 19th and July 20th this year. The tours and travel multi-billionaire had lived in Kenya for 32 years. Enoch Sikolia, Citizen TV, Nairobi.